Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 taskbar apps grayed out. Here's how to fix it. First method is end task grayed out taskbar apps. Second method is run commands one by one. Third method is run PowerShell command. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.